Vinod Bansal of the VHP, Ratan Sharda
Namaskar.
of the RSS, Monica Arora, advocate of the Supreme Court, are on one side tonight. On the other side are Mohandas Pai, Saad Bin Jung, former cricketer, all citizens of Bengaluru, and Kamal Farooqi, former member of the Muslim Personal Law Board. My first question is to A.B. Ibrahim, the man at the center of this entire controversy. A.B. Ibrahim, you are the Deputy Commissioner of Dakshina Kannada. The controversy is about whether you can be the host for the annual festival of the Sri Mahalingeshwara temple. The VHP says that a Muslim man's card, Muslim man's name cannot be printed as the host for a Hindu religious festival. I want you to tell both the VHP and the RSS tonight why you think you have a right to host a Hindu religious festival in your official capacity. Mr. Ibrahim. Mr. Ibrahim, go ahead.
Hello. As a district magistrate and a deputy commissioner, I am the district protocol officer also.
Yeah.
For any program either directly by the government of Karnataka or any department or any institution governed by under the any of the department, the deputy commissioner is also the host, whether knowingly or unknowingly, he will be the host. And normally they don't ask the permission of the deputy commissioner to print his name in the invitation for any program for that matter. And similarly, in many of the temple and other departmental programs, they used to print the name of the deputy commissioner, and they printed in this case also. And
yeah, I think once I think I lost the line in between. Let's see if I can get the line restored. Mr. Ibrahim was just giving us an account of one.
Namaste, adab.
Yeah, go ahead, Saad Bin Jung.
Yeah,
you can continue. But if we get the line back with him, we'll get him
That's all right,
back.
but Mr. Ibrahim, I have absolutely no idea why you're being defensive and explaining yourself. You are an Indian. That's it.
Yeah.
As far as I'm concerned, that's where it ends.
Yeah.
Your personal belief in your house, nobody's grandfather can question.
Yeah.
Please tell that to the world. Please tell that to any single person from any religion that आप हिंदुस्तानी हैं, आप कुछ भी हो घर पे आप जो कुछ करते हैं, कौन होता है ये सवाल करने के लिए? कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया करता है? कोई सी अगर किताब करती है, रिलीजियस किताब करती है तो मुझे बताएं. इसलिए मैंने आज तक नहीं देखा ये किताब को.
नहीं, मैं सवाल पूछ रहा हूं that there is a Muslim IAS officer on our show tonight. Viewers, 1 second, Monica Arora, there is a Muslim IAS officer on the show tonight. Monica, wait a minute, please. He is a senior official. He is the Deputy Commissioner of the Dakshina Kannada district. He is the host for an annual festival at a Hindu temple in Puttur. You cannot stop him.
Cannot be.
You cannot stop him because he is a Muslim. You cannot stop him because he is a Muslim. Yes, please.
May I
No, 1 second. I'd like to hear from the VHP what their problem is. Yes, please. Yes, please, Vinod Bansal.
What it says.
Monica, wait. Only Vinod Bansal, I want you to respond out here tonight. But Vinod Bansal, I want to also tell you, you cannot make this gentleman's identity. Understand his credentials, be reasonable. He's a deputy commissioner. He's the person in charge of the district's administration. He's not in charge only of Muslims or Hindus or Parsis or Sikhs. That is your narrow mindset, you see. आपकी मानसिकता रिफ्लेक्ट हो रही है बंसल जी. What you are saying smacks of intolerance, bigotry, discrimination, that a man only on the basis of the fact that Mr. Ibrahim is a Muslim should not be allowed to do his official responsibilities. Mr. Bansal, make your point, but do not be intolerant to the other side. Yes, Mr. Bansal.
देखिए, मैंने तभी एक शब्द भी नहीं बोला. आपने इतने सारे मेरे लिए विशेषणों का प्रयोग कर दिया. थैंक यू.
नहीं, मैंने कोई विशेषण.
अर्नब जी, मैं एक बात बता दूं आपको. शायद आप जो है ना जी सबसे ज्यादा संविधान और कानून को मानने वाले एक वरिष्ठ पत्रकार हैं और हमेशा उसकी दुहाई देते हैं. लेकिन संभवतः आप इस एक्ट को पढ़े बिना, जिस एक्ट के आधार पर इनका अपॉइंटमेंट हुआ था, और आप ये डिबेट करवा रहे हैं. अर्नब जी, मैं आपको बता दूं, द हिंदू रिलीजियस इंस्टीट्यूशन एंड चैरिटेबल एंडोमेंट एक्ट 1997, द सेक्शन 7 ऑफ द एक्ट, व्हाट डज इट सेज? आई एम जस्ट रिपीटिंग इट वर्ड टू वर्ड. Just kindly listen to me.
No, first of all, you are wrong. First of all, before you start, let me tell you, Mr. Bansal, this is the problem, you see. आपके साथ, VHP के सब लीडर्स के साथ बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है. वो
क्या
कहते हैं
प्रॉब्लम?
हिंदी में, आप सुनिए मेरी बात, देखिए आप इस तरह से बात मत कीजिए। जैसे कहते हैं अल्प विद्या भयंकरी, लिटिल नॉलेज इज डेंजरस। यू आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम दैट प्रॉब्लम एंड आपके जितने विश्व हिंदू परिषद के लीडर्स हैं उन्हीं का प्रॉब्लम है। आप कह रहे हैं मुझे, मैं कमाल फारूकी को बुलाता हूं
सुनोगे नहीं और आप कहोगे मैं ही विद्वान हूं इस देश में।
मैं आपको कह रहा हूं, आप कह रहे हैं हिंदू रिलीजियस इंस्टीट्यूशंस एंड चैरिटेबल एंडाउमेंट्स एक्ट 1997 डज नॉट अलाउ फॉर नॉन हिंदू अपॉइंटीज एज डेप्यूटी कमिश्नर्स। यू आर कोटिंग अ लीगल आर्ग्यूमेंट, बट लेट मी टेल यू दिस. Let me tell you this. Kamal Farooqi will come into the debate on the other side tonight. Let me tell you this. Mr. Ibrahim has not been specifically appointed for the administration of the temple. He is a deputy commissioner. The temple's administration comes under the purview of his official responsibilities. Yes, please. Kamal Farooqi.
मुझे बताइए.
Kamal Farooqi on the other side tonight.
रुकिए अर्नब जी, let me answer.
No, you are wrong.
Let me answer it.
No, you are wrong.
Let me answer first.
District commissioners are not commissioners for religion.
देखिए मुझे कमिश्नर से दिक्कत नहीं है, मुझे डीसी से कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। मैं आई रेस्पेक्ट हिम एज डिस्ट्रिक्ट मजिस्ट्रेट और द डीसी, बट
constitutional power
he cannot invite on behalf of the temple
that he wants as per the constitution.
Invite anybody on
Nobody can overrule that. He is a district
या तो वो
magistrate.
कहे कि मैं हिंदू हूँ, उससे पहले वो
constitution
invitation card उसका नाम नहीं चल सकता। आप मुझे बताइए, he cannot hold the office in temple. He may be the district, he is the district DC, he may be the collector, he may be something else, but he has to abide with the law of the land.
Yes, and who are you to understand the law of the land? Mr. Bansal, the problem with you is, the problem with you also is, and now I'd like to tell Kamal Farooqi on the other side, not only are you intolerant, you don't know about the law. You are not aware of the facts of this case. And मैं बहुत सुन रहा हूं, मैं आपसे विनती कर रहा हूं, आप भी दूसरों की बात सुनिए. By questioning Mr. Ibrahim's name on the invitation card to a Hindu festival, you are essentially questioning his appointment as the deputy commissioner to the district, because his involvement in the administrative. Listen to me now, Mr. Bansal. You must listen to me now. Now you must listen to me. I've got to be firm with you right now. The fact is, his involvement in the administrative affairs of the temple is tied up to his role as the deputy commissioner in the district. He is not partaking in any rituals. He is not partaking in any rituals.
Control Hindu temples.
Mr.
Why should government control Hindu temples?
Don't give me.
Does it control Waqf? Does it? What is absurd about it? Why will they control mosques? They will control Waqf. Will they control churches? Why government wants to control only temple? Tell me this.
Change the rules. And
what change? Why change the rules? Why only for temples?
I'm quoting the rules.
Why only temples?
I'm quoting the
rules. Why use those temple funds for others?
Rules now.
The rules says he should not be there. His deputy should come as if
he should not be there.
Read the rules. You cannot have your secularism only for Hindus.
The question
I
is,
want equality before law.
I have the rules before.
I want equality before law.
I have the rules.
I say all the religions should have same law. They should have same controlling power. Why temple should be controlled by government? Tell me first of all. Tell me why should they cover? Why should they control temple? Why should the temple fund be used for others?
Will you listen to me?
I will listen. You also listen to me.
Mr. Ibrahim,
I've
got the rules out here. I've got the law, and if his identity.
So I am demanding change the law. I am demanding change the law. Let the law be for same from everybody. Mr. Saad, you cannot have law, you cannot discriminate law for Hindu temples. What is wrong with Hindus? Why can't they control the temples? Why can't they control their funds? Tell me this simple. This is very small matter. I don't give a damn to this matter. I am saying let us be more broad-minded. Let us see why Hindus should suffer from discrimination.
Just 1 minute. You want to change the rules and then talk. As per the existing rules, you cannot stop.
Who has the point? Congress MLA has the point. Congress MLA has the point. Did BHP started? Congress MLA started it.
You cannot stop.
Congress started this.
You cannot stop.
Congress MLA started this. You agree?
Mr.
No, 1 second.
Yeah, no, 1 second. Just 1 minute before I come into it. Please understand, there was no invocation of any legal argument when his name was printed on previous occasions or annual festivals and other temples. Nor was it invoked when he directed temple authorities to install CCTV cameras. Nor was it invoked when he took steps to improve the security of the temples.
Fine,
you are being convenient. You want to polarize the atmosphere.
It is purely religious. Sir, it is purely religious. क्या आप चाहेंगे क्रिसमस को हिंदू लीड करे? क्या आप चाहेंगे कि ईद को हिंदू लीड करे? आपका त्योहार मनाइए.
Now listen to me. Yeah, please.
सर ये त्योहार था. मैं चाहता हूँ ना करो. Yes, I am.
Listen to me.
Yes.
As an Indian, listen to me. The law of the land, timeline पे आप लोग मुसलमानों के साथ आके अटक जाते हो.
कहाँ से मुसलमान की बात है? कहाँ से मुसलमान की बात है?
सुनो आप मेरी,
मैंने मुसलमान की बात की ही नहीं सर, आप गलत इल्जाम मत लगाएं।
आप इंडियन है तो बात सुनो मेरी।
और सही बात करें, गलत मत बोलें।
पहले थे हिंदुस्तान में, आर्यंस आए, अरे साले आर्यंस को भी
आर्यंस तो यही कि आपकी हिस्ट्री गलत है।
भगा दो सबको।
सर हिस्ट्री दोबारा पढ़िए,
आप तमिलियंस
सर हिस्ट्री बदल चुकी है,
श्रीलंका को लेकर आ जाओ।
हिस्ट्री बदल चुकी है, आप कौन सी हिस्ट्री पढ़ रहे हैं?
मेरे भाई आप लोग मुसलमानों पे
फेल हो गई,
अटक रहे हो।
मुसलमान की बात ही किसने की? वो क्रिश्चियन भी हो सकता था सर।
700 साल से मैं
क्या दुश्मनी है सर? कोई दुश्मनी नहीं है। आप अपना त्योहार मनाएं, मैं अपना त्योहार मनाऊं, मैं ईद को लीड करूंगा, मैं ईद को लीड करूंगा, आप मेरे टेंपल फेस्टिवल लीड करेंगे। इब्राहिम को छोड़िए, कल को वहां कोई जीसस भी, कोई वहां पर जोसेफ भी होता तब भी ये प्रॉब्लम होती है।
फंडामेंटल की बात करते हैं, मुस्लिम फंडामेंटल पार्टीज आर रॉन्ग, हिंदू मुस्लिम।
ये सवाल पार्टी का है ही नहीं सर, सेक्युलर पार्टी का इशू है।
Let's be Indian.
सर,
otherwise let's get the Dravidians back and throw out the Aryans. Let's throw out the Aryans. Let's throw out the Muslims. Let's throw out everybody.
सर जी, अपने रिलीजन को आप लीड करिए ना, मैं आपके रिलीजन को लीड करूंगा। मेरा प्योर त्योहार है सर, तो मेरा प्योर त्योहार है, मैं उसमें क्या मना कर रहा हूं?
रतन शारदा,
मेरा रथ यात्रा है, उसको आप कहेंगे कि और कोई लीड करेगा? मैं आपके ईद को लीड करूंगा, मैं नहीं करूंगा। आप बनाइए, मैं लीड नहीं करूंगा।
रतन शारदा, now I'd like to say something.
मैं क्रिसमस मनाऊंगा, मैं लीड नहीं करूंगा।
Ratan Sharda, please just wait a while and listen. You have, and I'm saying this with a great degree of sadness today, that you and Vinod Bansal have denigrated the Hindu religion.
How is it denigrated?
Now you listen to
my festival. I should not celebrate.
I'll tell you why.
You will have my celebrate. You will have my celebrate. Don't create everything into narrow-mindedness. It is purely religious festival.
Just one minute. First of all, Mr. Bansal, please.
आप
Mr. Bansal,
कानून को धत्या रहे हैं।
Mr. Bansal, don't teach me the law. Don't teach me the law. I know the law. You don't know the law. That's not my problem. That's not my problem.
Please understand the law.
I'd like to get Kamal Farooqui.
Ask the lawyer.
Mr. Sharda, I'd like to get Kamal Farooqui into the debate. All I will say is that Mr. Ratan Sharda and Mr. Bansal have denigrated the Hindu faith and the Hindu religion, which talks of acceptance and is all embracing.
So you will allow
those very ideas. I would say, if you want to hear me, I would say it is a matter of great pride. It is a matter of great pride. It is
from your control.
It is a matter. Mr. Bansal, I'm now asking Kamal Farooqui to
release my temple from control.
Kamal Farooqui, 1 second.
What is narrow-minded about it?
Just 1 minute.
Release my temple from my control.
I think it smacks of cheap vote bank politics when a person's religious identity is being given prominence and held against him.
No, it is not that way. I am just saying, let Hindus have their control on the temples. Why my temple should be controlled?
मुसलमानों को बांटने का, हिंदुस्तान को बांटने का हक किसने दिया?
मैं 1 minute.
Are you controlling Waqf board? Are somebody is controlling church?
Now let's get Kamal Farooqui. Let's be fair. Kamal Farooqui.
बहुत बढ़िया.
Kamal Farooqui. First of all, I don't know when, under which law, at what time, when did the VHP and the RSS get the copyright over the Hindu religion? आपने पेटेंट किया है रिलीजन?
आपने सेक्युलरिज्म पेटेंट किया?
आप कौन है? आप क्या है?
हम हिंदू रिलीजन आप करिए अपनी बात.
मैं कह रहा हूं,
करेंगे, आप
I'm saying this is cheap vote bank politics.
No. It is not about bank politics.
I think you should all apologize to A.M. Ibrahim.
For what?
Ibrahim
for what?
Well, I feel very proud that there's a person like A.B. Ibrahim who would be taking the lead in ensuring. Kamal Farooqui into the debate.
Ask the Congress MLA to apologize. She has started. She has started it. Ask Congress.
Kamal Farooqui now into the debate, please. Kamal Farooqi's turn. Kamal Farooqui and Monica Arora. Kamal Farooqui, please. Yes, Kamal Farooqui and Monica Arora.
देखिए Arnab, let them understand.
Mr. Abraham,
just 1 sec. After Kamal Farooqui, Monica ji. Yeah, go on, Kamal Farooqui. You respond to Kamal Farooqui after that.
Yeah, he is a government official. He is the DM. He is the deputy commissioner. In that capacity, he has got certain duties to perform. This is what actually he has been doing it. My only worry is that the people like Bansal Sahab and other RSS people, in fact, they have, I am not concerned, I can't talk about that whether they have got the authority to deal about the Hinduism or not, but they are making a mockery of the whole thing. In fact, they just forgot that in Allahabad, the whole
कमाल जी आपको शोभा नहीं देता. आप पर्सनल लॉ बोर्ड बोल के मुस्लिम को मोनोपोलाइज करना चाहते हैं. आप हमें सिखा रहे हैं कि हिंदू क्या लॉ होगा. कमाल जी जरा सोचें आप. आपने मुस्लिम लॉ बोर्ड के पूरा राज किया, मुसलमानों को बर्बाद किया आपने.
Sir, we are not interested. Sir, तो अब देखिए, ये तो आपकी लैंग्वेज है, मैं तो आपसे आप जनाब कर बात कर रहा हूं, आप इस तरह से बात कर रहे हैं। मैं सिर्फ आपको ये बतलाने के लिए, कुंभ मेला जो 12 साल के अंदर कुंभ मेला हुआ था, उसकी सबकी अथॉरिटी और जिम्मेदारी जो थी वहां के एक मिनिस्टर को थी जिसका नाम आजम खां था।
एग्जैक्टली,
तो आप खामोश रहे।
उसने लीड तो नहीं किया ना, उसने स्नान तो लीड नहीं किया ना।
मेरी बात रतन शारदा जी, जरा मेरी बात करेगा। रतन शारदा जी, आप जैसे दूसरों को बोलने नहीं दे रहे,
कमिश्नर है बाबा,
मत कीजिए प्लीज। या गो ऑन, कंटिन्यू। आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सटेंड दिस डिबेट। गो ऑन, कहिए। I am getting Mohandas Pai into the debate. I am getting no. I agree.
Ibrahim साहब जो है वो
I would want you to understand that this is a great country. A Hindu last year allowed Muslims to use his shop as a mosque to offer prayers when their local mosque was undergoing repairs.
Even RSS officers use for namaz.
Mr. Sharda, I don't believe in this RSS view of the world. Do I have a right?
But I have to explain my view.
So yeah,
you have called me to explain a view.
So it's all right, but don't say that is the Hindu view. I refuse to believe that the RSS view is the Hindu view or the VHP view is the Hindu view. In September 2015, Hindus allowed Muslims to offer prayers on a Ganapati Pandal in Bakri Eid in Kolaba.
I said even
that is the strength of our religion.
Why should Hindus not control that?
And one minute, I get Mohandas Pai into the debate. Mohandas Pai, I'd like you to counter the arguments being put here. Mohandas Pai.
Arnab.
Yeah.
Mr. Ibrahim is a very Arnab.
ये हिंदू कब तक स्वीकार करें? आप एडवोकेट करें तो कोई बात नहीं।
Arnab.
नहीं,
अरे भैया जरा चुप रहिए ना।
Mohandas Pai, yeah, Mohandas.
Arnab, Mr. Ibrahim is very well respected in the district of South Kendra. I go there often. I know what people say. He's very well respected. He's a person held in high esteem. And if his name is there in invitation as Deputy Commissioner, everybody is proud of it. Everybody accepts it. I don't know who these two gentlemen are to interfere in the affairs of South Kendra and go against the wishes of people. Some fringe elements may raise this and we will all oppose it because South Kendra is a place which obeys the rule of law and Mr. Ibrahim is very well respected. I don't agree with these two people. They cannot speak for the community of South Kendra. They do not speak for the Hindus and they should not bring this argument before anybody and we are feeling ashamed of these two people who are taking very extreme positions and I would urge both of you to keep things quiet and not interfere in the affairs of South Kendra district. I hope you get it. This is not acceptable at all.
Saad Bin Jung is saying something.
शारदा साहब से भी यही कहना चाहता हूँ, इंडिया में मुस्लिम लॉ बोर्ड और हिंदू लॉ बोर्ड की क्या जरूरत है? इंडियन लॉ बोर्ड लगाइए ना। नंबर 2, आप जो फंडामेंटल हिंदू बाकी हैं, आप हिंदुस्तान को मत बांटिए, आप मत काटिए हिंदुस्तान को। आपने कोशिश करी थी और इंडिया पाकिस्तान बन गया। क्या कर रहे हो आप? फिर से अभी तक आप नहीं निकाल सकते मुसलमान को हिंदुस्तान से। अगर आपने हिंदुस्तान से और आपने अगर मुसलमान के अंदर हिंदुस्तान को निकाल दिया तो फिर क्या होगा?
कैसे बन सकता है?
क्या कह रहे हो यार? हिंदुस्तान को मत बांटो मेरे भाई, मत बांटो।
अरे भैया
आप कोशिश करते हो मगर मत बांटो प्लीज।
सर यूनिवर्सिटी बिल कोड लाइए, हम आपके साथ हैं।
पूजा का अधिकार तो दीजिए।
क्या चाहिए लॉ बोर्ड?
क्यों लड़ रहे हो? अगर आप मेरे साथ हो तो ही इज एन इंडियन फर्स्ट. He's not a Muslim.
Okay, can I?
He's not a Hindu.
Can I see this on our screen tonight? On our screen tonight. Viewers.
Simple answer.
Viewers. Just this is not about control. You don't own the religion. You don't own the temples. You don't own our tradition.
Why should my temple be taken by others? No. Why should my temple be controlled by government?
Please.
It's a secular government. Less secularism for all. Why should we only for
tonight?
Why should not be against Hindu?
The opposition. Viewers on our screen on the news are tonight, and if I have to speak over you, I will tonight. On our screen tonight is a gentleman. I want India to take a position on this person. The person is a Muslim IAS officer, Mr. Ibrahim. He's on your screen right now. Now, there is opposition to him. Mr. Ibrahim has served this country as an honest government servant. For many, many years, he has risen through the ranks to say tonight, Mr. Bansal, please hold yourself and pull yourself back right now. Because Mr. Bansal, I'll have to be firm with you. I would say this to you. You cannot reduce Mr. Ibrahim to being just a Muslim. He is an IAS officer. Mr. Ibrahim is a deputy commissioner. You cannot do that.
And an Indian.
You cannot do that because tomorrow, Mr. Ibrahim, I'd like to go to Mr. Ibrahim, please. Mr. Ibrahim, Mr. Ibrahim, right now on the screen. Only Mr. Ibrahim.
Read the section 7 of the law.
Don't teach me the law. Don't teach me the law. You'll get into trouble. Don't teach me the law. You want to teach me the law? Mr. Bansal? Mr. Bansal, okay. Mr. Bansal and Mr. Ibrahim. Mr. Bansal, आप 2 मिनट चुप रहिए. आपको मैं अभी काउंटर कर देता हूं क्योंकि मुझे 30 सेकंड भी नहीं लगेंगे आपके इस रिडिकुलस आर्गुमेंट को तोड़ने के लिए. आप सुनिए प्लीज. शांति से आप शांति से सुनिए मेरी बात.
आप बताइए कौन सा रिडिकुलस आर्गुमेंट है?
थैंक यू. पहली बात है ये जो फ्रिंज फंडामेंटलिस्ट ग्रुप्स हैं, मिस्टर इब्राहिम जो है टीवी पर.
The issue is not the question of Ibrahim or whatever the name it is.
Go ahead, Mr. Ibrahim. Go ahead, Mr. Ibrahim. Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, go on, Mr. Ibrahim. Go on.
Hello?
Go on.
It is not the question of Ibrahim or it is not the question of Ibrahim or A or B or kind of thing. The issue is it is a post of the deputy magistrate, district magistrate, the post, and it is the respected post, and he is the custodian of the entire district as such. And basically, this name should not have been dragged into the entire controversy. It's the most unfortunate incident.
And Mr. Bansal, let me tell you something about Mr. Ibrahim, so that you realize how small you are being and narrow-minded you are being. One second. I am asking a question to the VHP person and to the RSS person.
Where is Congress to raise the objection? Please call Congress to raise the objection.
Mr. Bansal, are you going to listen to me? It will take 30 seconds. You stayed quiet when Mr. Ibrahim, right, ordered that CCTV cameras are installed at all religious places in his jurisdiction to improve the safety, including at temples. You stayed quiet then. You stayed quiet. You listen to me now. You stayed quiet when in September 2014, Mr. Ibrahim, the same IAS officer, ordered his officials to resume with speed the stalled development work at the Sri Manjunatha temple in Kadri.
It was his duty. It was his duty to do that.
It is his duty, and being at the he has not. Don't tell him his duties and deny him his rights. You can't tell him his duties and deny him his rights. The third point tonight. The third point tonight. The third point tonight. I want to also tell you this. During the Urs festival, listen to me. Understand what being an Indian is, Mr. Bansal. ठीक है ना? During the Urs festival, a representative of the Mumbai police is the first to offer the chadar at the Mahim Dargah. Nobody asks him about his religion. The problem with people like you, Mr. Bansal, I'm not shouting, so don't shout. The problem with you, people like you, Mr. Bansal, is somewhere you know that your game is up. But you are still trying. You are still trying. किसी तरह से हिंदू मुस्लिम डिवीजन किए, कोई इशू लाइए, और लोग इस देश के लोग आपको डेली काउंटर कर रहे हैं फैक्ट्स से, लॉ से, रीजन से. नहीं, आपका गेम अप है मिस्टर इब्राहिम. आप और विश्व, आप क्योंकि इन जुलाई 20, I'll tell you, और एक्सपोज करता हूं आपको मैं. देखिए इन जून 2014, बोलने दीजिए ना, बोलने दीजिए, मेरा एक्सपोजर खत्म नहीं हुआ. इन जून 2014, the same IAS officer asked temples that fall into his jurisdiction to involve CCTV cameras. In May 2015, the same IAS officer, Mr. Ibrahim, जिनको आप इस तरह से आप बात कर रहे हैं उनके साथ, right? He advocated.
अभद्र भाषा का प्रयोग किया क्या?
नहीं, मगर आपका genuine nature, language, intolerance तो दिख रहा है ना लोगों को. He advocated equal pay scales. He advocated equal pay scales for all category A employees that fall within the state religion department. In September 2014, he installed the installation of 60 CCTV cameras. What you have done is utterly condemnable because you are maligning a man who has worked towards improving temple welfare and temple development. This man has done more even for your religion than you have.
अगर
आपके हिंदू रिलीजन के लिए इब्राहिम ने ज्यादा किया आपसे.
सुनेंगे जरा, सुनने
नहीं, आप अपनी मानसिकता बदलिए.
नहीं, मुझे बताइए, आपको सुनने का साहस है कभी? मैं लेट मी से समथिंग. अलाउ करोगे क्या?
Mr. Ibrahim, while being stationed in Mysore, was involved in the organization of the Dussehra. Mr. Ibrahim, tell me, is it true that when you were posted in Mysore, you were involved in the organization of the Dussehra festivities? That you were an official?
कौन मना कर रहा है उसको? कौन मना कर रहा है? हमने मना किया क्या?
आप सुनिए ना, आपको तो पूरा एक्सपोज करूंगा आज। आपको पूरा एक्सपोज करूंगा। That Mr. Ibrahim, did you serve? Mr. Ibrahim, tell the people who are watching the program, did you serve as an official of the Chamundeshwari temple? Did he serve as an official of the Chamundeshwari temple for 3 years? 1 minute, Mr. Don't disturb me now. Mr. Bansal, Mr. A.B. Ibrahim served as an official of the Chamundeshwari temple for 3 years.
Hello.
तब कहाँ थी VHP? अभी आपको पॉलिटिकल रीजंस के, आप किसके बी टीम है? आप बता दीजिए, आप बी टीम किसके हैं? आप किसके बी टीम है? नहीं, आप किसके बी टीम है?
पब्लिक जान रही है अर्णब जी, पब्लिक जान रही है, आपके
पब्लिक देख रही है आज, पब्लिक देख रही है, रिस्पॉन्ड कर रही है, फोन कर रही है आज।
लेकिन मुझे बोलने का अवसर नहीं देंगे।
अवसर तो दे रहा हूं आपको, मगर आप ये भी जाने कि A.B. Ibrahim, he was one of the hosts for the annual temple at the famous Kukke Subramania temple in December last year. His name was printed on the invitation. चामुंडेश्वरी टेम्पल के ऑफिशियल थे। उन्होंने हिंदू भक्तों के लिए आपसे ज्यादा काम किया है। जो टेम्पल में मंदिर में आते हैं भक्त, उनके लिए ज्यादा काम किया है आपसे। आपसे ज्यादा काम किया है मिस्टर। आज तो VHP को बिल्कुल सवाल पूछूंगा मैं।
अरे भाई, उनकी जिम्मेदारी है, सवाल पूछिए, सवाल पूछने तो कौन मना कर रहा है, लेकिन कम से कम सुनने का भी तो मादा रखिए सर।
आज जवाब
आप जवाब नहीं सुनना चाहेंगे, मुझे पता है इस बात का ना। और मैं जब तक आप नहीं बोलेंगे तब तक मैं भी नहीं बोलूंगा।
मिस्टर शारदा, I want Mr. Ibrahim to speak.
हमें मिस्टर इब्राहिम से कोई पर्सनल ज्वेलसी नहीं है, हमें कोई रिलीजन से कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
मिस्टर इब्राहिम,
मैं मिस्टर इब्राहिम से पूछना चाहता हूं कि क्या
मिस्टर इब्राहिम
अंतर्गत आप क्या उसके डिप्टी कमिश्नर बन सकते हैं क्या?
अच्छा सुनिए मिस्टर,
कैन यू होल्ड द ऑफिस ऑफ द टेम्पल?
अच्छा, आप मुझे एक बात बताइए, आप है ना, आप मेरी बात सुनिए, मेरी बात। हाँ देखिए, आपको आज सुन के मुझे तो ऐसा लग रहा है
हेलो
कि आप घबरा गए। अच्छी बात है। अब इब्राहिम जी जो हैं उनको बोलने दीजिए। इब्राहिम जी, कैन यू प्लीज टेल अस, डिड यू सर्व एज एन ऑफिशियल ऑफ द चामुंडेश्वरी टेम्पल एंड व्हाट डिड यू डू फॉर द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ द दशहरा फेस्टिविटीज इन Mysore? प्लीज टेल एवरीवन टुनाइट। या
हेलो,
या गो ऑन मिस्टर इब्राहिम।
या From 2003 to 2006, the world famous Dasara festival under the Chamundeshwari activities, I was a deputy special officer and conducted it very successfully at for the 3 years. And even here as the last 2 years as a district magistrate and as in charge of all the nearly 600 and odd temples, and we are able to do the security of the temples all across and also installation of the CCTV and also
what do you mean
cataloging and indexing.
Listen, let him speak.
Cataloging and indexing of all the gems and jewelries of all the temples.
आप मुझे बताइए कि मंदिर के चीफ आप बन सकते हैं क्या?
आप साहब मुझे बताइए। नहीं, यस, जवाब दे रहे इस तरफ से।
जवाब दीजिए। क्या आपका इनविटेशन कार्ड में नाम प्रिंट हो सकता है एज पर द लॉ? आप मुझे बताइए।
सामने रखेंगे कि माई गॉड इज बिगर देन योर गॉड, हिंदुस्तान की सत्यानाश कर देंगे।
अरे गॉड की बात छोड़ दीजिए, आप
कहिए उनसे, आप उनसे कहिए कि आप इंडियन है, आप हिंदुस्तानी है, आइए करिए काम। वो क्या करने वाले हैं? तोड़ने वाले करते हैं मंदिर की,
चर्च के,
हम सब इज्जत करते हैं।
मोहनदास पाई,
मुझे बताइए, आज तक किसी ने कोई किसी कब्ज चर्च पर या किसी
Mr. Bansal, you know something? This man, he does his job not as a Hindu or a Muslim, he does his job as an Indian. You also for once. You also for once.
My question is with the laws of this land. Why a temple should be controlled by government?
So Sharda, let's fight together. You and the Muslims, let's go together.
But that's not the issue. He's trying to change the my point. Don't you see, Mr. Don't you see, dear viewers, tonight that Ratan Sharda has lost the argument tonight.
I have said from
Ratan Sharda, you should be the first person on the program tonight to say that
Congress
Mr.
MLA raised this question, not RSS, not VHP. Congress raised the question, and question has been answered by the government. It is with us. I am just saying this is a side issue. We respect government officials. My major question is why should government control Hindu temples? That is my biggest question. That is my biggest question.
हमारा हाथ पकड़ने के लिए तैयार है.
हम तो हमेशा तैयार हैं.
नंबर 1 बनाने के लिए
हमेशा तैयार हैं. हमने मस्जिद अपने ऑफिस में करवाई है. हमने मस्जिद रिलीफ कैंप में करवाई है. हमने सब जगह करवाई है. हमने नमाज सब जगह पढ़वाई है.
तो फिर कहिए आज टेलीविजन पर लोग देख रहे हैं. मैं ब्रेक ले रहा हूं. कहिए आज टेलीविजन पर आप मिस्टर इब्राहिम को कहिए आज टेलीविजन पर कहिए कि उनका पूरा हक है जो वहां पे हिंदू रिलीजियस फेस्टिवल है उसके होस्ट बनने का उनका पूरा हक है. आप कहिए. आप नहीं कह सकते. यही तो प्रॉब्लम है. I'll take a break. 2 minutes. I'm coming back on this debate. I'm coming back on the debate in 2 minutes. The debate tonight is on religious apartheid, and I want to go to Monica Arora at this point. Monica Arora, give me, because there's no legal argument, yet I want to understand as a lawyer, how do you support religious apartheid? How are you telling Mr. Ibrahim? You tell Mr. Ibrahim why he should not be allowed to be the host because he's a Muslim for an event at a Hindu temple. Please tell Mr. Ibrahim, and then I would like to moderate this. Go ahead, Ms. Arora.
Now give me half a minute. I have been waiting for long now.
Yeah, sure.
Hello.
Sure, go on.
Mr. Ibrahim, I am feeling sorry for you because your name has been dragged in this unnecessary controversy. You are a fine and a good officer. But the question here is not that is Muslim officer welcome. The question here is Muslim officer eligible and qualified under the Act or not? If we see section 7, which clearly says that no commissioner, deputy commissioner, assistant commissioner who is a non-Hindu can carry out for the purposes under this Act. He cannot be an officer, cannot be a servant under this Act, doing any purpose under the Act. So if the Act remains, we have to follow the Act. Till the Act remains, section 7 remains, no officer who is a non-Hindu can be appointed. He cannot carry out the purposes under this Act.
Okay, Mr. Ibrahim, would you like to respond?
He is not only a DC.
Would Mr. Ibrahim, would you like to respond?
Also.
Miss, I got her point. I would like Mr. Ibrahim to respond. Only because I'm short of time. Mr. Ibrahim, you give your point of view, then I'll give mine. Yes, Mr. Ibrahim. Why don't you respond to Monica Arora?
Hello. The thing is that as a district magistrate and deputy commissioner, first of the thing is that this for entire controversy, the post of the deputy commissioner should not have been dragged in. It's very unfortunate. And all the administrative actions, not only in this district, any district, with respect to the religion, deputy commissioner discharged all this duty. And only regarding the puja and other procedures inside the temple of the connected with the puja and so on, they are not supposed to do. That is the interpretation
so you are
of the
administrator
Act.
also
And
under
it has been vetted by the same thing by the Hindu Charitable Endorsement Act.
No, Monica Arora, if he's your problem is that he's a Muslim, right? That's no. Just 1 minute.
No,
just one. I'd like Mohandas Pai to come in. No, Mohandas. Ratan Sharda, this is not right. You're speaking over everyone else. 1 minute. No. Mohandas Pai into the debate. Well, listen, let's get all views. I'm saying the problem you are saying is that he's a Muslim. Yes, Mohandas. Just 1 minute. That he's non-Hindu. Okay, so you're saying he's not a Hindu.
The Act says so.
I understood. You have misinterpreted the Act. You don't understand the Mohandas Pai.
We don't misinterpret the Act.
She's got it wrong. Mohandas Pai. Mohandas Pai.
In a particular case.
Yeah.
In a particular case, Arnab, the court held that under the Act 2, there are religious duties and secular duties. As far as secular duties is concerned, it's the prerogative of the government officer for administration, others to do it.
Good point.
As far as religious duties are concerned, there has to be a Hindu. There's a very clear distinction in a court decision on the same matter, which I remember reading some time ago.
It is
so I think whatever the lawyer, lady lawyer said about that. No, I understand.
To carry out the purpose under the Act. Every officer and servant has to be a Hindu.
The purpose of the Act is not
Please read section 7.
Monica Arora, do you even know? Now please don't interrupt me. Do you even know that in many army cantonments, and this is for your information Bansal ji, थोड़ी आपकी इसमें जानकारी बढ़ेगी।
मत, आप बोलिए आराम से कम धमकाइए मत पैनलिस्ट को।
मैं कहाँ धमका रहा हूँ, मैं सिर्फ आपको कह रहा हूँ आप जरा मेरी बात को सुनिए, आप मेरी बात को सुनिए, क्योंकि आपकी इंफॉर्मेशन थोड़ी कम है और आपको मैं थोड़ा सा इधर आपको मैं थोड़ा सा नॉलेज दे रहा हूँ इस सब्जेक्ट पे। सुनिए मेरी बात, क्या आपको पता है दैट इन मेनी आर्मी कैंटोनमेंट्स many commanding officers, whether they are Hindu, Muslim, Christian, anything, they become the president of the temple committee? That many Hindu officers become president of the mosque committee or that of churches and gurdwaras? They may be any religion, but they become the president because of their virtue that they are commanding officers. This is about harmony. This is about mutual respect. जो RSS को और BHP को आज तक समझ में नहीं आई. No, this is a fact. You go and check. You go and check the facts.
And when law clearly says
go and check the
non-Hindu cannot be appointed, please go and change the law if you want.
Very simple thing.
Okay, Monica Arora and
it's about the provision of law.
Of the law, any law, madam, in India has to be read under the Constitution of India. It has to follow the spirit of that.
Any law has to be strictly interpreted.
Please think what you're saying.
For God's sake, read the two lines.
Let us speak.
The line says, for any purpose under this act, he has to be a Hindu, whether a servant or an officer.
Okay. Now you know.
Here he is not in DC's capacity.
Miss Monica Arora, I know you are an advocate of the Supreme Court.
Of the temple.
I know, I am fully aware that you are an advocate of the Supreme Court. And actually on television,
I know I have the law in front of me.
No. I don't like, you know, Miss Monica Arora, Mr. Bansal,
nobody should raise their tempers. It's not about Hindu, Muslim.
Mr. Bansal, please, and Miss Arora.
It's about what the law says.
Mr. Bansal and Mr. Arora, do you think I would like to tell a Supreme Court lawyer that she is not aware of the law?
Abraham just to criticize somebody.
I'm sorry, Arnaji. What I say is
Miss Arora, answer one question to me. Answer one question, two questions, okay? If your problem is that he is a Muslim, now if his being a Muslim was no barrier for him, you listen to my question, Miss Arora. Now I have to be firm with you. You got to listen to my question. No, you listen to my question. Listen to my question. Listen to my question, Mr. Bansal. If his being a Muslim was not a barrier for him to organize Dussehra festivities in Mysore, if his being a Muslim was not a problem in his being involved in the administrative affairs, as Mohandas Pai rightly says, at the Chamundeshwari temple there, then how is his being a Muslim an obstacle in this case?
It's not
about Mr. Ibrahim.
It is.
It's about what the law says.
You got the law wrong.
A non-Hindu cannot carry out the activities under the act.
Question, ma'am. Just answer.
You cannot. I will ask the question a third time. Miss Monica Arora, you have got it wrong. Miss.
I can cite each and every line.
I have got a better understanding of the law.
Please read it.
I've got a lawyer of Supreme Court. They say you know more law because it doesn't suit you.
No, I have.
Not only an officer,
she's got to answer my question.
Cannot be appointed.
I got you, Miss Arora. You got to answer my question, Miss Monica Arora. Answer my question, please.
This law is only for religious Hindu institutions, not for army.
Miss Arora, understand, Chamundeshwari temple is a Hindu religious institution only, and Mr. Ibrahim is purely
involved. We are not talking about Chamundeshwari temple, for God's sake.
Why should?
What we are saying is under this act, whether he is eligible.
This act, okay, does this? Okay, what's it, Miss Arora, don't speak non-stop. Listen to my question. Be reasonable, Miss Arora, listen to me. I don't want to shout over you, but I'm having to stop you here right now, Miss Arora. Please tell me whether the Hindu Religious Institutions and Charitable Endowments Act of 1997 applies to the Chamundeshwari temple or not. Just answer the question, yes or no. Yes,
that is for
yes
you
or no?
to answer.
Yes, you
what I say.
No, you answer the question. You answer the question.
A
Why don't you want to answer the
cannot
question?
be allowed to carry on the activities. He cannot be an officer, cannot be a servant. If you have a problem with law, please change the law.
Mohandas Bhai,
if you want.
I think you've read
Till the law remains.
Mohandas Bhai.
He cannot be appointed.
Yes, Mohandas Bhai.
Anna, the deputy commissioner, is not an officer of the government to directly administer.
Not deputy commissioner. He is there as administrator.
Let me finish. He is not an administrator.
Sir,
he is an ex-officio member.
Okay, closing the debate.
The court of law. Let me finish, madam. This is not a court. Let me finish. Please.
Closing the debate.
Have some courtesy. The courts have heard in the
closing the debate. Okay, we'll take the debate forward another time. All I'd say tonight, Mr. Ibrahim, you have every right, Mr. Ibrahim, you have every right to be the host. Mr. Ibrahim, you have every right to be the host. You have every right to be the host. You have every right to be the host for the annual festival at the Sri Mahalingeshwara temple. You have every right to be the host, Mr. Ibrahim, to be putting out your name on the invitation card for the annual temple of the Sri Mahalingeshwara temple. You have every right. You are not just a Muslim. You are an Indian and you are a civil servant. I thank you all for joining me on debate. I'm not.
Yes.
I'm not. I thank you all. I thank you all for joining me on debate number 2 on the News Hour tonight. Thank you.